Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel, Curly Willow Acres. I would love it if you would consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up for this video, and I love all your comments too. Here is the mobile home fixer-upper we are doing for our daughter. I think I showed some of this video before. This is when we first bought it. This is when we're changing the doors, and we're going to take that little wall out right there. But this is what we started with, and what we ended up doing was just gutting the whole thing. This room, the window's all broken out, and so we did have to special order a window for that. So we just got that put in today, so it won't be in this video, but we got that, and we put in a new back door today, and I'll show that in another video too. Actually, we had to have a lot of help doing that because my husband's cancer has gotten worse. It has spread to his bones now. So if you please pray for that. He's in so much pain, but they are going to do radiation and chemo, and they're hoping that this will help. But here is the living room, and I'm going to show you at the end, I'm going to show you the living room and the dining room here, all done except for trim. We have to put pasteboard down. This wall we took out right here. And then this is her bedroom, but I'm not showing you bedrooms today. I'm just kind of giving you an overview of it all, and then I'm going to show you the living room and dining room all done except for trim. There is a big wall on the TV wall. I would love it if in the comments you would tell me what you would do with that wall. We're kind of stuck. Here we are power washing it, my daughter power washing it, and this is when we started putting flooring down. You see that wall is taken out, cabinets are sitting there, nothing's went up yet, but we're getting some flooring down, and it still looks like a mess here, but we eventually, we are slowly but surely getting there with a lot of help from others because of my husband's cancer. But anyway, let me know what you would do on that big long wall that the TV's on when you see it. And otherwise, I'm going to leave this to music, and I will be showing you more in next week's video. And thank you so much. If you have any ideas, please feel free to give them to us, because it is a mobile home. We had to cut a door down and everything to put it in. Everything. This is when my husband is feeling better, so he's down there putting the cabinets in. But thank you so much for your prayers. We appreciate it so much. Here's my daughter's bathroom. When she got some flooring down, we got to do baseboard and stuff. But here is the living room, and I will leave this to music. Thank you so much.